Hi friends, hopefully you are feeling healthy today. I will unveiling the hidden treasures of USA Liberty quarter dollar 1950. Introduction. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to your channel name. Today, we've got something truly special to talk about, the USA Liberty quarter dollar from 1950. You won't believe its incredible value, so stick around to learn more. 1950 Liberty quarter dollar. Let's start by taking a closer look at this beauty. The 1950 Liberty quarter dollar is a classic silver coin known for its iconic design and historical significance. Historical context. Before we delve into its value, it's essential to understand the historical context. The United States Mint produced these coins from 1932 to 1964. This particular coin was minted in 1950, which was part of the later years of production. Design and features. The coin features a stunning depiction of Lady Liberty on the obverse and an eagle on the reverse. These designs were created by renowned sculptor Adolph A. Weinman and have made the Liberty quarter dollar a favorite among collectors. Silver content. Now, let's talk about its silver content. The 1950 Liberty quarter dollar is composed of 90% silver and 10% copper, which gives it a unique metallic luster and adds to its intrinsic value. Scarcity. One of the key reasons behind its significant value is its scarcity. Due to the 1965 change in the composition of U.S. coins, the Liberty quarter dollar from 1950 is one of the last 90% silver quarters ever minted. Mint mark varieties. Collectors also pay close attention to the different mint marks on these coins. In 1950, the coin was minted in 3 locations: Philadelphia, no mint mark; Denver, D, and San Francisco, S. The mint mark can affect the coin's value significantly. Emphasize condition. Condition is another crucial factor determining its value. Coins in mint or near mint condition can command much higher prices in the collector's market. Value and potential worth. So, how much is a 1950 Liberty quarter dollar worth today? Well, the value can vary based on factors like condition, mint mark, and rarity. In general, even a well-circulated 1950 Liberty quarter is worth more than its face value due to the silver content. Examples of values to give you an idea: a common 1950 Liberty quarter in average condition might be worth around $5 to $10. However, if you have one in excellent condition, it could be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Rare mint marks or varieties can fetch even more. Highlight the investment aspect. Collecting coins like the 1950 Liberty quarter can be not only a hobby but also an investment. The value of these coins has increased over the years, and they have the potential to appreciate further. Conclusion. In conclusion, the 1950 USA Liberty quarter dollar is a small piece of American history with substantial value, making it a sought-after coin among collectors and investors alike. If you have one, make sure to protect it and consider having it appraised for its true worth. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed learning about the 1950 Liberty quarter dollar, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fascinating coin-related content. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.